Mushrooms do this amazing thing where they pop out of nowhere. And a lot of people are kind of afraid of mushrooms. And I think it's mainly because they don't know enough about them. So I want to share a little bit about their life cycle and the ecological roles that they play. Now, fungi, the kingdom that mushrooms fall under, are completely different than plants and completely different than animals. And there's an estimated 1.5 million species of fungi. Of those, it's estimated that 10%, or 150,000, produce a mushroom. And a mushroom is a fruiting body of a fungus that can be seen by eye and picked by hand. Now, only 10% have been identified, so about 18,000 mushrooms have been identified. So what does the mushroom do in the life cycle of a fungus? Basically, it's a temple of copulation. It's a place where sexual reproduction happens. So on these gills right here, the nuclei come together and then form offspring. They have this genetic information contained in what's called spores. And the spores go out and are blown in the wind and get on our clothes and get into little beetles, and then they land somewhere. And they germinate what's called mycelium. And mycelium is this white cottony material that kind of looks like a spider web, like a little mini spider web. And this is everywhere, mycelium, but it only has one cell wall. So it's very sensitive to losing moisture. So if you roll over a log or dig under some leaves, you'll find this mycelium. And their life cycle kind of just continues like that, between mushroom to spore to mycelium. And most of the time, the fungus stays as this mycelial network. And just when the environment's right, like in the fall when it gets cold or after heavy rainfall, it fruits these beautiful mushrooms. And mushrooms have a short lifespan, right? They're kind of only around for 2 to 10 days, and then they disappear again. And I think this is sometimes why people are afraid of them, because they just come and go. But this mycelial network is always there. If you want to learn more about how to prepare and cook and buy and grow mushrooms, hit like and subscribe.